The February shift, eastern advances and southern countermoves. As of mid-February 2026, the conflict in Ukraine is defined by two opposing momentums. While diplomats from the United States, Russia, and Ukraine met in Geneva to discuss the parameters of a potential ceasefire, the battlefield saw high-intensity shifts. On the Eastern Front, Russian forces have maintained a persistent grinding offensive toward key logistical hubs. Simultaneously, in the south, Ukrainian units have executed their most significant territorial push in over 2 years, capitalizing on technical disruptions in Russian command and control. The Eastern Front, Russian gains. In the Donetsk region, the initiative remains with Russian forces. Moscow has focused its pressure on the Pokrovsk-Miernorad sector. These cities are critical rail and road junctions. Their capture would alter the logistical map of the Donbass. Russian units have moved within 5 kilometers of these hubs, employing a strategy of steady attrition. In Toretsk, fighting has devolved into high-saturation urban combat, where control is often measured building by building. For Russia, these advances represent the continued execution of a long-term goal to secure the administrative borders of the Donetsk region. The Southern Front, Ukrainian response. In contrast, the southern theater saw a sudden reversal. Between February 11th and 15th, Ukrainian forces recaptured roughly 200 square kilometers of territory east of Zaporizhzhia. Reports indicate this push coincided with a widespread outage of the Starlink network, which Russian frontline units had been using for coordination. This communication blackout allowed Ukrainian forces to seize strategic heights near Stepnohursk. While significant, the gains are tactical. They restore lines that existed in 2024 but do not yet threaten Russia's primary land bridge to Crimea. Technology, the drone escalation. Technological innovation continues to outpace traditional defense. This week confirmed the widespread use of mothership UAVs by Russian forces. These large carrier drones transport smaller FPV strike drones deep behind the lines, extending their range from 20 kilometers to over 100. By utilizing local LTE networks and Ukrainian SIM cards, these drones can bypass many electronic warfare systems. Ukraine has responded with the MAK naval mothership, a stealthy surface vessel capable of launching its own drone swarms. Both sides are now utilizing carrier platforms to strike rear area logistics, making safety in the near-rear areas essentially non-existent. Summary and diplomacy. The week concludes with a stalemate in Geneva, while negotiators reported progress on technical issues, like ceasefire monitoring and prisoner exchanges. Fundamental political disagreements over territory and the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant remain unresolved. The human and material cost continues to mount. Western estimates now place Russian casualties near 1.2 million, while Ukrainian losses are estimated by some sources at 500,000. As both sides integrate more autonomous tech and prepare for a potential spring offensive, the window for a negotiated settlement remains narrow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to New Informative for more